The term Metaverse is frequently used in the media, social media, and even at home. Although the technology is not widely used, it is quickly attracting the interest of cryptocurrency and tech investors. Therefore, Metaverse coins represent an untapped market for 2022. The fact that Meta, one of the biggest tech companies in the world, is betting on the Metaverse and even went so far as to rebrand from Facebook helps. According to reports, the company invested $10 billion in its Future of Technology Metaverse project in 2021. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies will be essential to that journey. It's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market changes quickly, and what is going well today may lose value tomorrow. Never put more money at risk than you can afford. So how are cryptocurrencies and the Metaverse related? What precisely is the Metaverse? What Metaverse token should you be purchasing as well? Here's a look at the essential information about the Metaverse and the top coins to buy. But before we begin, welcome to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, so make sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date essential knowledge to become more successful in life and in business. Best Metaverse coins to buy right now. The good news is that coin prices are quite low because the Metaverse projects are still relatively new. They are frequently well under $1 and in some cases less than 1 cent. This makes investing accessible to almost everyone. However, that does not imply that every project is worthwhile. In fact, according to industry experts, the current bear market is likely to drive out the bad actors, developers who have been more concerned with maximizing their wealth than constructing their projects, according to CNBC. The best Metaverse coins to buy are those that have demonstrated potential through performance, utility, strong financial backing, or all three. Here are some of the best Metaverse coins for 2022. The Sandbox. Players can create, own, and profit from their gaming experiences in the Sandbox, a virtual reality setting using sand coins, non-fungible tokens or NFTs that players have created can be incorporated using Game Maker into games available for purchase. It grants its developers full control over their NFTs and pays them for taking part in the ecosystem through transaction fees, staking, or buying and selling game items. There are 1.15 billion sands in use right now with a maximum supply of 3 billion. The sand coins are comparatively stable in the first quarter of 2022 after falling from their record high of $8.4 reached in the final quarter of 2021. Decentraland, a blockchain-based virtual reality platform called Decentraland, is a component of the Ethereum network. With a nearly 2.2 billion total supply, Decentraland's native token Mana powers the ecosystem. There are 1.84 billion Mana tokens in use right now. On Decentraland, gamers, producers, and companies are purchasing land to capitalize on the Metaverse's business opportunities. It appears to be a typical game at first glance. At this platform, you can purchase real estate by purchasing land plots. The plot can be developed by building whatever you want on it, then making money off of it. The price of the Mana token increased significantly in the final quarter of 2021, but it has since stabilized and will likely experience less volatility in the first quarter of 2022. Enjin. Enjin is a gaming platform in the Metaverse where you can mint regional tokens called ENJ that you can then exchange for goods that will help you advance in the game. ENJ, an ERC20 token that operates on the Ethereum network, is the company's native token. Its purpose is to serve as a gaming cryptocurrency for the exchange of in-game items on its market. Since being listed on open exchanges in 2017, this Metaverse coin has seen an incredible price increase. Enjin announced in late 2021 that it intends to raise $100 million for its Metaverse project. 872 million ENJ tokens out of a total supply of 1 billion are currently in use. Early investors paid just 0.017 cents per token. And despite the market's volatility, the same token is now worth USD $1.83. They still made a profit. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is one of the most profitable Metaverse projects. It's an NFT pet game similar to Pokemon that has gotten a lot of attention in the crypto community for its adorable creatures called Axies, which are sold as NFTs. Axie Infinity has given birth to the concept of play to earn, and many people have quit their full-time jobs to pursue this opportunity. Users can collect AXS, the native token known as Axie, by playing the game and then exchanging them for ETH to purchase NFTs on the Axie marketplace. The current value of the AXS token is $16.64 USD. With steady growth in the first quarter of 2022 and after reaching an all-time high of USD 160 in November of 2021, there is hope for AXS to increase in value if it continues to grow in the same patterns as last year. Tamagotchi. Aavegotchi is a Metaverse project that has been in operation since last year and is based on the Ethereum network. It's currently one of the fastest-growing Metaverse projects. Users collect pixelated ghosts known as Aavegotchis as NFTs and earn prizes by playing the game, improving their spirits, and increasing their kinship score with their virtual pets. To begin trading on this Metaverse project, you must first purchase an Aavegotchi from the Gotchi Bazaar. This initial investment may put you off, but you can always sell the Aavegotchi back into the market. If you can develop a higher kinship degree with the Aavegotchi and increase its scarcity, you may even profit. The platform's main utility asset is GHST, an ERC20 token that resides on the Ethereum blockchain. The main use of the GHST is to purchase Aavegotchis from retailers. Holders of GHST can also take part in Aavegotchi's DAO. The GHST ERC20 token serves as the platform's primary utility asset. The main object of the GHST is to buy Aavegotchis from the Gotchi Bazaar, which is its only marketplace. A steady value growth valued at USD $2.06 per token has enabled GHST to survive in this cutthroat market since its sharp increase in value in the final quarter of 2021. SushiSwap. SushiSwap, which has a market cap of $500 million, is primarily a decentralized exchange where users can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. SushiSwap, on the other hand, has expanded its business concept by establishing an NFT marketplace alongside the Metaverse. Not only will this immerse consumers in the NFT trading experience, but it will also allow buyers and sellers to exchange goods in a decentralized manner. Sushi, its native token, is currently valued at USD 4 per token. Because they already have 51% of the total supply in circulation, their most recent Metaverse project is an investment worth keeping an eye on. However, volatility remains, and you should exercise caution when investing in highly volatile projects. Final thoughts. These are only a few of the numerous exciting Metaverse projects in which you can invest. However, these projects are highly volatile and unpredictable, especially in the early stages. You can only do your research, make educated guesses, and trust your instincts. Never put all of your eggs in one basket. Invest a minimum of what you can afford to lose, which could be 1% to 5% of your total investment portfolio. So, start investing in Metaverse coins in 2022. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all. And if you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and turn the notification bell on for more informative content.